Well, tú regla dul Liam?
Yeah. Info.
Cén fáin let's go. Hi.
Mention.
Ta. Man fair. Hey, I'm Owen from Bite Size Irish Gaelic, and today I want to use scooters to teach you how to say the Slender R sound in Irish Gaelic. It's this special sound that if you can master it just a little bit, you'll really bypass other learners. It's something that's special, but it's not so required. I mean, I was never taught it in school especially. But it's a nice little subtle part of the Irish language. So the Slender R sounds something like rzz. It's not a r, it's a rzz. It's your tongue is getting closer to the top of your mouth. So when you say scooter, you say one scooter is scooter a wine. That's how I would say it anyway. Maybe there's a better word for scooter in Irish language, but scooter. But if you want to say multiple scooters, you say scooter. Did you hear the little thing at the end? Scooter. One person described it to me like there was an R and a Z just after. So try to say it after me now. Scooter.
Scooter.
Scooter. Ma fairly mean. So shut a scooter. That's one scooter. Ach, but shut iad scooter. These are scooters. Scooter. So maybe not the best example in the world, but we have to live with it. Now, by the way, we've got a course on udemy.com, and it's for cracking Irish Gaelic pronunciation. That's what it's called. Cracking Irish Gaelic pronunciation. And it's for if you're a bit scared when you see Irish Gaelic words written down. They can seem a bit scary, and it seems like they don't make sense. So, come on over to udemy.com. There's a link probably under this video, and check out the course. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this practicing how to say the Slender R sound in Irish Gaelic. Slán!